Good day, viewers all over the world. So we want to look at length of an arc. Length of an arc. Of course, if this is a circle, if this is a circle, there's one radius here, this is another radius, this is RR. Okay? Then these two radii are subtended by this arc. This arc here, let's call this center AB. So from point A to point B is an arc. And let's say the angle between the two radii, let's call it theta. So how do we find the length of this arc AB? Of course, in this arc now, if we trace out this, we can get the chord there. So that if we bring out everything here, if we bring out everything here, it becomes a sector. This is a sector, AOB. If we bring it out, and if we trace this now, this is a triangle, and this one is a segment. So a sector is the addition of a triangle and a segment. But we are not interested in that. We are interested in the length of an arc. This length of an arc, AB. How do you find the length of an arc? The length of an arc by formula is given as theta 1 over 360 degrees multiplied by 2 pi r. Because that's circumference. This is talking about circumference here. So it's theta over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. That is the formula to find the length of an arc. So please let's note that in order to find the length of an arc, it's given as theta 1 over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. So we are going to consider two examples under this. So let's take example 1. Let's take example 1 under length of an arc. Example 1. Let's take example 1. So the question says that we should calculate the length of an arc. Calculate the length of an arc which subtends an angle 72 degrees at the center of a circle of radius 35 meters. So this is the question. We have to calculate it. You can just sketch. You can make your sketch here and bring out the radius. Say this is O, here is theta. So this is the arc. Say this is B, this is A. We want to find length AB. The length of this arc is AB. Of course, if we trace out the chord. So the length AB now, the length of this arc is given as by formula, is given as theta 1 over 360 degrees multiplied by 2 pi r. That's the formula. But in this question now, what are we given? We are given the angle theta as 72 degrees. We are also given the radius as 35 meters. Then we are asked to find L, the length. That's what we are looking for. So if we apply the formula, the length L is equal to 72 degrees over 360 multiplied by 2. The pi is 22 over 7. That's the standard. 22 over 7 multiplied by radius 35. That's what we are going to get. So you don't really need a calculator here. Just go ahead and do your calculation properly. 72 here is 1. 72 here is 5. Okay? That's 5. 7 here 1. 7 here 5. 5 will take care of 5. At the end of the day, we are left with 2 times 22. And that is 42. That's going to give us 42 meters. So the length of that arc is 42 meters. So the length of that arc is actually 42 meters. It's 42 meters. So let's take another example. We take another example under the length of an arc. We take another example, say example 2. Let's take this second example. Let's call it example 2. The question says, what angle does an arc 5.5 centimeters in length subtend at the center of a circle of diameter 7 centimeters. That's the question. So in this case now, we want to find theta. The angle theta is unknown. We are given what angle does an arc 5.5 centimeter in length. We are given the length of this arc here 5.5 centimeters. Then we are also given the diameter to be 7 centimeters. But in the formula we have radius, not diameter. Just convert it. Say radius is equal to, say diameter is equal to 2r. Okay? Therefore, r is equal to d all over 2. Then r will be equal to 7 all over 2 centimeters. So what is the formula to find the length of an arc? The formula to find the length of an arc is theta over 360 degrees multiplied by 2 pi r. So here we are given L 5.5 is equal to, we are looking for the angle theta all over 360 degrees multiplied by 2 times 22 over 7 times the radius, the diameter is 7, the radius will be 7 all over 2. So 7 can take care of 7, 2 will take care of 2. Okay? So that at the end of the day, we have 22 theta to be equal to 360 multiplied by 5.5. That's what we are going to get. Okay? And of course, this can be equal to 36 multiplied by 55. If I bring this decimal point in front of 5, it takes care of this 0. Then I have theta to be equal to this divided by 22. 11 here 2, 11 here is 5. 2 here 1, 2 here is 18. So I have theta to be equal to 18 times 5. Then theta is equal to 90 degrees. So the angle is 90 degrees. Just note that if you have to find the length of an arc by formula, is given as theta over 360 multiplied by 2 pi r. That is the length of an arc. Of course, you can also ask to find the perimeter of sector. Once you know the length of an arc, the perimeter of sector will just be, we add the 2 radii to each. But that is not for today. We are going to continue from there in our next video. Thank you for listening, and God bless you all.